Hi there! I'm Polly, the advanced cleaning tool with special UV light. And look, Dave, my owner, is back with some company. Oh, good lord. Someone is gonna have fun tonight. Yes, this is something that happens when you have fun. You see, people bring millions of smallest particles and nanobodies with them into house. But I have a solution for that. I come with a special surface made of 4 layers of materials and customized UV light. You feel the difference. My UV waves are of specific length, so only Dave will make love in my house. By the way, my waves will not cause any harm to anyone's health. Hi again, guys, and meet this little creature, Leah, the 1-year-old daughter of Dave and Judy. Yep, they got married. But now back to me. I can handle hard stains with my spray. Put any cleaning liquid in my container, and you are good to clean anything. My head is 360 degrees rotatable, so you can clean all hard-to-reach places with me. Now with Leah, things are pretty much the same for me. I am still a family's cleaning body. I work on multiple surfaces and absorb 1 liter of liquid with my surface. With all my materials, I am not heavy at all. I am extra lightweight, and Judy can hold me simultaneously with Leah. See? The baby weighs more than me. Just like smartphones, I am perfect for one-hand use. My handle allows you to squeeze all the liquid that I've absorbed. You need no buckets, as I won't let a single drop to go unless you want me to. Finally, I am cordless. I get energy from any light source. I require no wires, just the light. Am I amazing or what?
Hey guys, my name is Leo and I'm the Chief Technical Officer at Poly. We are a team of bright engineers and science enthusiasts who made Poly into a reality. Poly is a cleaning tool which will help you to overcome all the challenges that 2020 brought to us. Poly's extremely beautiful design is inspired by our galaxy, while it is getting its energy from our sun. There is one last thing left to say. Please support us. Support Poly to make a world a better place, to make a world a cleaner place.